Ah, okay. Why? When you do it with your hand? Oh, you answer the question. I get tired so fast. Oh, okay, okay. When you do it with your hand, yeah. So this is do it with your hand is the old-fashioned way. Oh, okay. Oh, well, congratulations. You're a mom of three. I'm a mom of six, eh? I have six. So you can do it. I'm a proud mama of six. Yes, definitely. And I have my baby, she's like 3 months. So you get tired fast sometimes. Maybe I'll just use it a little bit. Oh, so they will monitor you. If it's they think it's bigger, they will monitor you. So it becomes like I know I see that. Thank you. People shop, but they don't they don't like it. It's because I just like the stream, y'all. You like the stream, y'all. Thank you. It's because I just started to do live streaming before. I just like make videos, and I haven't been on YouTube in a long time. So it's like I have to get back to so people can have that kind of trust, you know. Because I took a long break last year, and then the whole time I was pregnant, so it was a lot. So, okay, I'm gonna check your from the Bible. That's good. Double tap, guys. Double tap. Thank you.